Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple part like this. We have a drawing. We want to convert from sketch to shape part. Just start it, open SolidWorks. We start from top plane. So at first right click and click sketch. In here we use a millimeter unit. We can change in below millimeter unit. Start from make to circle like this. Draw from this point or origin point like this. Then set the dimension. For first circle have diameter 20 millimeter. Then second circle have radius 20, so the diameter is 40 millimeter like this. After that we can see in here, so just make center line like this. Insert the center line, have click make horizontal, then set the center line in here, the distance in 43.5 millimeter like this. Then draw circle again in radius A. Draw circle from this point, radius 8, so diameter is 16 millimeter because the radius 8 millimeter. So we can see again in here have circle, but in here have angle in 90 degree. So we just make center line again to the top, like this. Like a slope center rectangle, and set the dimension. This center line and this center line we set angle in 45 degree, because in here the total is 90 degree like this. Then we just make circle, click circle, for draw from the center line like this. Then set the dimension of circle. In here have radius 7.24, so the diameter is 14.48 like this. Ensure this circle and this circle click make tangent like this. Simple. Then we can to make a line like this. Draw from this circle to this circle. Ensure this line and this circle click make tangent. This line and this circle click same before. Look, this line and this circle click make tangent too. Then we can do mirror below like this. So click mirror entities, click this line and this circle. Mirror about, we can select this center line. Just click OK and like this and done. After that, you want to make a line in here. The total of the line in here is 100 like this. So sorry, make a line. Then ensure this line, right click and click make horizontal. This point to the center line, ensure to make vertical, and set this point and this line. Set the length in here is 116.5 millimeter like this. Then set the distance in it from the center to this line is 38.5. Start dimension, this point and this length have in here distance 38.5 millimeter. Then make a line again. Sorry, Make a line again, draw from this point to this circle, ensure this line and this circle, click make tangent, like this. After that, we want to make two circle again in here. So select a circle, draw two circle, then we can set the dimension for first circle, have diameter 18, second circle have diameter, in here have radius 16, so the diameter is 32 millimeter because the radius is 16. Distance, ensure this circle, this center of circle and this center circle, click on make vertical, set the distance, center the circle and center the circle, have distance in here 67.5 millimeter, like that. Simple. Then make again and here a circle, the center of here that have a radius 32, so the diameter is 64. Set 64 millimeter, like this. Then we just make a line again, draw from this point, draw to the top, like this. Oh, sorry. Trim entities. Sorry. Draw from a line from this second circle, this center, on the top, like this. Populated drawing, and draw line again. This circle to this circle. Ensure this line to make vertical. This line and the circle, click make tangent, like this. We can check the distance, and here is 16 millimeter. Distance, this line and this line is 16 millimeter. Appropriate this drawing. Then we can to make a line to connect the circle to this connect this again to this line. So draw this line to this point to this circle, like this. Ensure this line and this circle, click make tangent. Okay, so simple. And we can to trim entities from this circle. Sorry, we can control C. We can to mirror after. Okay. Okay. Sorry, we can do trim this again first in here. Trim this line first. Okay. Make a line again from this point to this circle, this line, ensure this circle to make tangent, like this. Okay, it's so simple to make what like this. Click trim this again, erase this circle in here, and this you can do erase, like this. Then after that, you want to make a line circle again, have radius 8, so click circle in here, draw maybe in here, set the dimension of diameter. Radius is 8, so the diameter is 16 millimeter. The distance in here is 75. This center to bottom of this line is 75 millimeter, like this. Then this center to this line or this edge is 88. Set dimension. This to this is 88 millimeter, like this. After that, we can to draw line from the second circle in here to this circle. Ensure this line and this circle to click make tangent. This line and this circle, don't forget to click make tangent, sorry, we can trim entities first. Sorry about that. Click length, draw and draw like this. This line and this circle, click a make tangent. This line and this circle, click a make tangent. Sorry, trim entities. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Control C. Click line. Sorry. Trim entities. This line. Sorry. Draw a line. This circle. That is this line to this circle. Ensure this line and this circle click make tangent. This line and this circle click to make tangent to like this. Then we can to erase, trim entities, this circle like this and this circle, this line, appropriate like this drawing. Then we can to make a circle again in here, from here. Set the dimension of the diameter in here, have radius 9, so the diameter is 18 millimeter. The center to this atom have distance 38 millimeter like that, and this center to this and have distance 37. Smart dimension, this point to this point have a distance 37 like this. So after that we can to make a line again to connect this circle and this circle. Sorry, trim entities first, connect this circle and this circle. Ensure this line and this circle to click make tangent. This line to this circle click on make tangent to like this. So we can to draw line like this. So draw line, we can draw line like this. Set for the height of the line in here is 84. Sorry, in the height is 56 in here, 56 millimeter like this. Then we can do in here is 12 millimeter. Don't forget in this have a fillet, have radius 10, so sketch fillet. Fillet parameter is 10 millimeter. Click this point and just click OK. After that, you want to make a circle again in here. Draw. Sorry, before make like this. Draw in here. Circle. And the radius is 11.5. So the diameter is 23 millimeter because the radius is 11.5. Okay. Then set from the center to the bottom this line in here have distance 84 millimeter like this. Then make a line, sorry, in here line from the circle to the top like this. Ensure this line to make vertical, this line and this circle to make tangent. Then don't forget again to draw like this. Then this line and this circle click make tangent. We can to trim entities, this length like this. Then click line again, draw from this point to this circle. Ensure this line and this circle click make tangent. Rotate like this. Then click land, draw this line to this line like this. Draw is actually this line to the bottom, this line, and here is 48, sorry. And it just to trim edit this line and this line. Okay, draw edit this in this line. Then draw trim edit this line. Okay, ensure we can do erase then and this line. Just click OK. Ensure we just input all the dimensions appropriate to this drawing. After that, we can see in here have thickness in center have 13, 13, and here have thickness 27. So just click feature and click extrude brush to export to solid part. For select contours, first select this sketch. Direction change in mid plane for the center or symmetry part. Have first thickness is 13, and here direction is 13 millimeter. Just click OK. After that, see again sketch 1 and extrude brush. Select contour, select this sketch, and this sketch. Right in here have thickness 27 and 27 millimeter. Direction is mid plane too, and just click OK and done. It's so simple. After that, we can to change the color. Select the feature, click this icon. Maybe the color is green. Click OK and select again this icon color. Click this face and maybe white for whole. Just click OK and done. We just a very simple part like this drawing. We just export from sketch to solid part. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching until end video. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.